Welcome back, Oregon Rainforest Adventures. Kimberly here. We are in Lynn County in Lebanon, Oregon, and we are discovering the North Shore Trail. So come along with us and I'll show you guys around. This is a very family-friendly trail. It is all paved, wheelchair accessible, dog-friendly. You do have to have your dogs on a leash, and a lot of bicyclists. The trail runs right along Cheadle Lake. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. We'll talk about the history of that here in a couple of minutes. This is also a pretty cool spot to do some fishing at. We'll talk a little bit more about that too later. So enjoy the video and thanks for watching. Before the 1940s, Cheadle Lake was used as grazing grounds for cattle. Later purchased by a mill company who used it as a log pond. It is now part of 40 acres of recreational land owned by the city of Lebanon. Aside from the walking paths and the kayaking activities, people also fish here. You can find largemouth bass, crappie, bluegill, and catfish. This lake is also home to several aquatic creatures, including river otters, muskrats, beavers, and pond turtles. There are about 6 miles of trails here for you to explore.